Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review from Trader Joe's for y'all. And today I finally got a really good pair of Jordan 3 Maniéres. Now, I waited for this shoe. I waited on purpose because I really wanted this shoe to be almost perfect, and it really is. But before I get into all of that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, share the video with your friends, all those good things that everyone else says in their videos. Make sure you please do that here. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Go check out the Reels page. I got some shoes up there that you may have seen me review, may not have seen me review. And make sure you guys join the Discord. Follow us in that Discord. The link is in the description. We have a really good community in there, and we do try and help everybody find shoes, trade shoes with each other, all those good things. Just make sure you guys follow us in that Discord. The Discord is popping, okay? You guys can find these on StockX and Go for prices. I'm not gonna put the prices on the screen, but you guys can go and find them there. This is a really dope shoe. I remember when Maniére made these joints, and I said, that's gonna be sneaker of the year, hands down. I already knew it. It was a sneaker of the year, but it's one of the best Jordan 3s that I personally think have ever been created. I really like this shoe. In the beginning, when all the UA places was making these, they was making them kinda messed up. The quality of the materials were good, but the measurements was off, and y'all know how Jordan 3s with the toe boxes be. They're always jacked up all the time. So I waited, and then finally I saw that they pretty much had this joint on point. So then I said, all right, go ahead and send me those shoes, and they sent them over. So I really wanted to show you guys because I'm excited. I really like this shoe, and I waited for it, and I'm so glad I waited for it. All right, let's jump right into breaking the shoe down. So Jordan 3 Maniére. I'm not going to get into the history of it or anything like that. I really just want to show you guys the shoe. You guys can look up the history of it. I think there's some videos online of them talking about the Maniére and what it means and all of that other stuff, all right? But this is an all-white upper, very nice tumbled leather. You got some suede hits on here. So around the ankle collar right here, we got some really nice shaggy suede, and this is like the old school suede they used to put on all the Jordan models, like the Jordan 14 toe boxes and all that had this nice hairy suede. You really got to brush this to get it to lift up. Very nice. Back here where that elephant print would be, very nice suede right here, long-haired suede, and you guys can see that transition. You see it moving. It's really nice. I didn't even brush these yet. And then you have that same suede right here where there would be elephant print on some Jordan 3 models, and also in the toe box area, and we'll get to that toe box area in a second. Very nice tumbled leather. I mean, this tumbled leather is super nice. Look at this tumbled leather, y'all. This is crazy. I love tumbled leather. Y'all know that. Y'all know I'm a sucker for the tumbled leather, and this is very good quality, very nice, very soft. I like how they have these eyelets, which are aged right here. It looks really good. I do enjoy the eyelets. Now, I know this shoe is supposed to come with a separate set of laces. I think they're supposed to be cream or sail or something like that, but I did not see the extra laces in the box, so I'm not gonna get into that. We do have this kind of brown looking purple tinged Nike Air tag right here, and it's real flimsy. I mean, it's like plastic. I remember when they used to do the hard plastic, but it is what it is. That's nice. We got like a nice Maniére tag right here, which looks pretty good. Quality goods, handle care, all those good things. And then we have that nice purple brown color right here, which looks good on the midsole. We also have part of an aged midsole right here. The heel of the shoe, which is really one of the highlights of the shoe that I really like, is that aged Nike Air. Super dope. I really like the way this looks. It looks so clean. It's something about this. It really looks clean, y'all. Super dope. And on the back heel tab, there's a little statement right here, and it says, you have to get comfortable walking alone. I love that. I think it's on both. Nope. So on the right shoe, it says you have to get comfortable walking alone. On the left shoe, it says, all we have is each other. So dope. And I think that plays into their little family theme when the creator made this shoe with his family. I think it was with his mother in mind. So I think that's super dope. So the air unit right there we can see through that. It's pretty nice. It looks like it might be aged in there as well. And here is the outsole of the shoe. And the outsole of the shoe looks pretty dope. You kind of got that dark burgundy vibe, which is really nice. I like that. The medial side of the shoe looks like the lateral side of the shoe. Nothing too crazy here. And let's jump into that toe box. The toe box though, the highlight of this shoe was the toe box for me. Look at this toe box, right? Look at the toe box. This is perfect. The toe box, the height, the shape, the cut of it, it is so nice. Now this might be a little high on the side right here, but really, I mean, if you look at how it dips down right here and you look at that suede is really nice. You look at that suede and how low it is, that's how the Jordan 3s is right now. They don't have that higher cut. And this right here is really, really nice. This is a good sign, y'all. This is a good sign. So I'm really impressed with that. And then there's a little bit of the leather right there just so you guys can see that. Very, very nice. So we have those white laces. These are more of like a sail lace going up the shoe. Very nice there. And then we do have a Jumpman right here. He's kind of got like a little, he kind of got a little cake right here. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. I didn't look it up, but I mean, I like how it's embossed off the shoe, which looks good, but I just don't know about this stitching right here in the butt cheek area. I think that might be off, but who knows? I really don't care, but it is what it is. So that's on the right shoe, and on the left shoe, we have our A for Maniére, which looks good, and that's stitched very well as well. Standard shoe tree comes with these joints. That looks pretty good. The sock liner of the shoe is a nice quilted pattern, and they've been doing a lot with this quilted pattern. I know they did it on some Jordan 12s recently, and it was the Royalty 12s had a quilted pattern, and I think there was another shoe that had a quilted pattern as well. So they've been playing around with this quilted pattern, and I do like that. Insole of the shoe is Maniére insole right there. I think you guys can see that. It's that nice brown, kind of purple burgundy looking color, and that looks pretty good. So nothing too crazy there, and it is just a foam insole. So overall, I think this shoe is so dope. I'm so happy I waited to get this shoe. I did hold out. Now, sometimes you gotta hold out if you wanna get a really good shoe. You gotta hold out. They will get it eventually. So if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, y'all know for me, I think it's a 9.5 at least. But for me, it's a 10, okay? I love this collaboration. I love the colors, the earth tones. I like that outline of that peach on the leather cuts. It looks so nice. I really, really like that. So I'm gonna have to give it a 9.5 to a 10 out of 10. As far as construction and materials, I gotta give this a 9.5. This is so close. It's probably spot on. I don't know about the Jumpman, but it's probably spot on. And that toe box really got me. I said, oh yes, send those over. So I'm really, really happy about that. He might have forgot to send me the other laces, but that's okay. The shoe looks phenomenal. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. So I hope you guys make a decision, go on StockX or Gold or any other means to get your shoes. Y'all can also hit us up in the Discord and we'll try and help you. And I guess that's it. I'll check you guys out on the next one. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Peace.